Everybody, it finally happened. After all the ridicule for the Apple Vision Pro not having an official YouTube app, it's here. How YouTube made the jump to spatial computing. And this is right on the front of the official App Store in your Apple Vision Pro. Now, in order to open it, all you do is you open up your App Store and you're greeted with the beautiful official YouTube icon. So let's click in and see what we have. So you start off here on your YouTube home screen, and the different tabs that we get. At the top, we have search, then home, then spatial, which we'll get into, shorts, subscriptions, movies. There's also a U tab, and finally settings. So from home, this is just like anything else where you can just, I love a little network chuck, open it up and it's gorgeous. The screen looks absolutely beautiful. And if you can make it small, you can drag it up and get quite a large screen. And if you click on the video, you have your player down here at the bottom, so you can rewind or fast forward in 10-second increments. You can also scrub through the video. And then there's your settings, which will allow you to do autoplay. You can turn captions on and off. The quality, you can switch to different quality based on your internet. Playback speed, let's see. So you can go as slow as 0.25 and as fast as 2x. Very, very nice. So let's see here. If you look in the top at the little arrow, that's your back button. It'll take us back. Let's check out the spatial. So this right here is going to give us a bunch of spatial content. There's just a lot in here. I was kind of scrolling through earlier, and there's just a lot of beautiful, scenic VR content here. So let's take a look here at Singapore. Ah, this is nice. So as I move my body around, I can actually see all the way around me in 360 degrees. Now, if I pinch and hold, I can actually make it so that I'm now facing the other way. So we'll zoom back here as if we're walking forward. And this is really nice. Now, if you just do a quick pinch, you'll see off to the left, you've got your channel information along with the description. On the right, more suggested videos, and then your player down here at the bottom. And if you click back out of it, you are back out. Now, you can also take and drag. Let's see, let's make it a little smaller here. You can actually pin the YouTube app up against surfaces. So you see the little lock icon. And now this is set in there and will be locked in place. So if we go back and we just do some normal content here, let's see. Very, very nice, very nice. Now, if you go to the top and you click on the title, you'll have all of your information here on the side, suggested videos, description, all the different comments. This works out beautifully. And I got to tell you guys, the screen really, really looks gorgeous. The Apple Vision Pro really does have the best platform as far as media consumption. And this YouTube app is absolutely not disappointing. Now, if we go down to the shorts, I'm curious. Let me unlock it and bring it up here. So these are the different shorts you can scroll through, just like TikTok. But I wonder, oh, you can. So you can actually swipe as if it's your phone or an iPad. That's really sweet. Oh, that's a great feature. So then you go to the subscriptions and it's going to show who you're subscribed to, their latest videos. If you go to movies, you're able to see a bunch of free movies. They'll also have rentals and purchases through here. If you go to your You page, you can switch accounts, view your history, all that good stuff. And then the settings, there you can switch accounts too. You can clear your history as well as read all the good stuff that's in there. So guys, this is absolutely amazing. I am super happy that they finally have an official YouTube app. Now we just need an official Netflix app and we'll be good to go. This looks really nice. Oh, yep. I would much rather be on this tropical island than in my living room. All right, so if you want to watch some 3D movies, you can actually search for what you want. Let's see, how about Avatar? And if we click on the 3D under the options there, let's see. I believe this should be the trailer for it in 3D. Oh, that is fantastic. So this is on the level of when you're watching on Apple TV or Disney Plus. Their 3D content is absolutely amazing, and this is not a disappointment whatsoever. Wow, I am super duper happy with this. This is the best thing to happen to me today, which probably says I should get a life, but this is absolutely exciting. You know, as a content creator and somebody who watches just probably way too much YouTube, like at least way more than I should, this is a big improvement as far as my media consumption goes. And this is very quickly going to be becoming one of my most used apps, that's for sure. And with that, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Oh, and then one more thing. So if you go to download the YouTube app, and this is in the future where this isn't like being shown on the front screen like this. If you go to search, something I noticed, so if you just search for YouTube, it's actually nowhere in there, which is absolutely crazy. So in order to find it, you actually have to search YouTube Vision. And then, let's see, it's right there, YouTube for Vision OS. So that's the official name for it. Once you open that, then you'll see it's the actual YouTube app. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next one.